Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at this final project that we have assigned for Java, and we're going to take a look at one student's work from the spring semester of 2015, and it was a successful completion of the project. And my hopes in showing you this is so that you get an idea of how the project might look in its completed state. I know there's been a number of questions that I've received about what questions should be put into the program and how inheritance might be applied. So I'm going to kind of talk about those as I demonstrate. So I have the code loaded up here, and this is from one of my students. You can see they have a number of different things going on there, but I'm just really concerned about looking at the console view at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and start the application running. You can see we're presented with a very simple little menu, and basically 4 options. So you can do the survey, tally your votes, or edit your questions, and then ultimately you can quit. So I'm going to go ahead and start the survey. So I'm going to press 1 and then enter. And then I'm just going to go ahead and choose answers for these. Also, I should probably show you that if I put in an incorrect entry, it does indicate that. So that was a good job on that. Alright, and then we can take the second menu option and we can take a look at the tally. So that just goes through and it shows us all the answers and how many times people chose that particular answer. And now additionally we can edit the questions, and it does require a password. And then you're brought up to a different menu. You can see what it prompts you. It says, which question would you like to edit? And you can edit questions 1 through 5. You can also type 777 to view the current list of questions. So if I want to edit question 5, okay, and then we can also exit out of here, and then we can start the survey over again. And then you can see that's the question that I just created. And we can tally our votes again, and then we can do 999 to quit. Now, the one spot where you might think about using inheritance, in fact the spot that lends itself well, is in tallying the votes. Because you are pulling data from one object and you're adding to it, doing the tally that way is often a good idea. But hopefully just from this little bit of a demonstration you can get an idea of how you might build the application. This person created 4 different program files that are all linked together, and I think was pretty successful at accomplishing the goals. It's nothing particularly fancy, but there is quite a bit of logic that goes into it, and it's a little bit longer, actually quite a bit longer than most of the assignments that we've had to do, so it takes a little bit more effort to get it complete. Hopefully this was some good inspiration and helpful, and good luck with your project.